Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you guys this amazing Mary Kay Advent Calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of 12 days of faves from Mary Kay. I got this from one of my friends who sells Mary Kay, and I'll link her below. So you guys can check it out. She's having a sale for the holidays, so go ahead and check her out. I've been using Mary Kay products since I can remember. I think since I started doing skincare at home. Even as a teenager, my mom used to sell Mary Kay, and it's just always been a part of my life. So this box is adorable. So when you pull it out, the little sleeve, it has these little doors with hearts, and it looks like this, and so they're all pre-numbered and boxed for you, which is really cute. So for the first day, let's see what we have. We have the Hydrogel eye patches, and I've been really wanted to try these for a while now. They're supposed to help with these bags under your eyes, which I have really bad now. I mean, that's because I'm a mom, so unfortunately we have to deal with that as mothers, and that's why I love Mary Kay, because they do offer products like that at affordable prices. Day number 2, we have some foundation primer, which is perfect because I literally just ran out today, so I need to order more anyway, so this is perfect. I love their primer. It doesn't feel really oily going on, and it really does help fill in my pores before putting on my foundation. I use it every time I do my makeup, and there's also SPF 15 in it, so it really helps when you're in the sun, and I'm in Florida, so that is a plus, a huge plus for me. Regular sunscreen makes me break out, so that's my go-to product for primer. Let's see, day 3 is the oil-free eye makeup remover. This is another thing that I was out of and needed. When you do purchase it, it does come in a bigger bottle. I think, yeah, it's bigger. I love their eye makeup remover. It is oil-free, and it comes off like in one swipe. So I would show you, but I don't want to take my makeup off yet. But it's absolutely amazing as far as makeup removers go. It's not like overly potent smelling, which I've noticed a lot of removers, they smell almost like an alcohol, and I don't like that. I also have contacts, so I don't like when my eyes burn when I take my makeup off, so that's a huge plus. Day 4, this box is adorable. I'm guessing it's lipstick because of the lips. And it is a lip gloss. Let's see what color it is. It says unlimited lip gloss in sheer illusion. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a nice tan, like any day. There's everyday look. I have lip stuff on already, but there's a little bit of glitter in it, which I really like. This is cute. This is gonna be like a go-to everyday type of thing. It's really nice, and it doesn't taste like anything weird, which I don't like in a lot of makeups that I have. There's always a weird, awkward taste to it, and I'm not fond of that. Day 5 has these little hearts, super cute. Oh, it's a tiny little thing. This is an ultimate mascara sample. So of course it's a sample size, so it's really small, and I actually only use their mascara. I have really short eyelashes, and I had fake ones on for a bit, but it's really hard to maintain them, so I'll probably get them on again before Christmas. But when it's just my natural eyelashes, I like to use this. It actually makes it look like there's something on my eyes, as opposed to normal days where it looks like I have nothing. I am literally like bald. They're so short. So I love their mascara. It's my go-to mascara. Let's see, for day 6. Day 6 is the Shea Sugar Scrub. This is the Satin Lips. I love this stuff. If you want to get anything from them, it's going to be this. The Shea the Shea Sugar Scrub. They have satin lips and there's a satin hands one. I don't know if it's in here, but we'll see. The satin lips, like any peeling you have on your lips or dry lips, you put this on and it removes it. It is amazing. Your lips feel so smooth after. I can't wait till I take my makeup off because I'm gonna use this. I haven't had this stuff in years because, you know, tight budget and stuff, so I haven't purchased it, but I cannot wait to use this again. I'm really excited that that's in here. Okay, day 7. Let's see what we have. We have the satin hands. This stuff is amazing. Like I said before, this is the lotion portion. There is a scrub that you can use and it makes your hands super soft after you use this. This is just the Shea cream. So you'll want to get the Shea, the sugar scrub. It is literally life-changing. This stuff smells so good too. I haven't smelled them in years, so yeah, it smells really nice. It's really light, not overpowering. It's a good everyday use lotion too. So your hands will feel so smooth, and I'm way overdue for a hand treatment. All right, day 8. Let's see what we have. Ooh, a gel semi-shine lipstick in Naturally Buff. So let's see. I am not familiar with this color, so let's see what we have. I really like their lipsticks. They do last longer than other lipsticks, and I have several different colors. Oh, this is really pretty. Let's see if I can get it good. That's super pretty. That's like a really like pretty nude color. It's a little bit darker, and I wish I had this for today because I just actually took family pictures, and so that's why I'm kind of dolled up more than usual. This would have been really pretty with the outfit I'm wearing, actually. I wish I had opened it before, but it's okay. I'll wear it next year or and maybe tomorrow even. All right, number 9. This one has cute little hearts too. I really like the packaging they did here. Number 9 is eyeliner, and I actually just bought some eyeliner. It's the black, so their black eyeliner is my go-to. I don't wear eyeliner daily because it makes my eyes look a little bit smaller, but I do get a little bit of darkness around the edges, and then I take a little brush and smooth it in a little bit, and it gives kind of like that like shadow look a little bit. I don't know what it's called. I'm not a big makeup person, so I don't know the terms. Smoky eye look. Duh. So it gives you a little bit of a smoky eye look when you take your brush and like rub in your eyeliner. So I really like this because it goes on really smooth and it's nice, and you can go up and down with it, which I really like because I always hit my eyeliners on the tips, which is really foolish, but you don't have to worry about sharpening, which I really like about these. And the tips are pretty much always pointy because they're so thin. It's a really convenient eyeliner. Goes on really smooth. Actually, let me show you. So it's so nice. I barely even touched it, and it goes on really nicely. It's good for doing like a cat eye look, which I'm terrible at, honestly. But the tip is so pointed that it makes it easier for me. All right, number 10. Number 10 is, the microdermabrasion. So there's Refine and a pore minimizer, which I need desperately. I tried microdermabrasion years ago, and I like it. It's a little bit rough on my face, on my skin. My skin doesn't really like too much acid. And let me see, what was the ingredients? So it's for dry to oily skin, oil and fragrance free. I'll have to look at the ingredients list because there's something in it that was really abrasive on my skin. And that's what it's for, is to get into your pores really deep. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it another try because it's such a small size, and your skin does change over time. So I'm gonna give it another try. It's been literally like 10 years since I've tried this stuff. And I did leave my skin smooth, but sometimes it got a little bit red. So just make sure you use this sparingly. It's a really long name, Microdermabrasion Refine. And then this is the pore minimizer that goes with it. And I've never actually tried the pore minimizer, so I'm excited to try that because my pores are huge, like a full-on, like, my pores are huge from Mean Girls. Like, I'm that person. So I'm excited to try that. Number 11. We only have one more to go after this. Number 11 is liquid eyeshadow. I'm so excited. I love liquid eyeshadow, and I'm actually wearing two of the colors right now. This one's Light Beam, and I can't remember the titles of the ones that I do have. And I almost feel like Light Beam is one of them. But it's really, really pretty. So if you can see, it matches really well with that lipstick from before. So you'll put it on. It's a really nice, this light is so blinding. So it's shimmery, it's really pretty. So you'll put it on and then you'll just like brush it in with your regular makeup brush, and it goes on really nicely. I'm really excited that they have these now, and I think there's 3 colors on their website right now of these. And I think I have them all now. I don't know if this is one I already have, but I have 2 of them at least, maximum 3 of the 3 that they have. I absolutely love them, and they last so long. I think these are pretty new for them, and I really love it. Number 12, this one's big and it feels a little heavy. Let's see. Ooh, this is amazing. Okay, so this is one of the first products that I've ever used. Actually, it's one of the first like deep cleansing masks I've ever used. So this is the deep cleansing charcoal mask. It is amazing. I actually still have quite a bit of my last bottle left, but you'll want to use this like 2 to 3 times a week. And it goes on, it's for all skin tones, and it is a charcoal mask, as I said. And I'll take a little bit out. So it goes on like this, like lighter, and then it gets darker as it dries. And you'll keep it on for 10-20 minutes and rinse with warm water, and your skin feels so nice. And then I use it with a moisturizer, which I also use Mary Kay moisturizer, for oily skin, because my skin used to be dry and then now it's kind of oily. So, and I think that has to do with sweating in the Florida heat. But this stuff is life-changing as well. I like to do like a mask and then do like the pore minimizer, because it opens your pores when you're minimizing them. I don't know if that's really how you're supposed to do it, but that's what I've been doing pretty much my whole life. And I actually used a different pore minimizer. I haven't used this one. I've always used a different one, so I'm going to try this one out and see how it goes, and do a whole new routine. So I hope it goes well. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will link my friend's Mary Kay website in the comments, or in the bio. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I cannot wait to use all this stuff. The packaging is really pretty too, which is always a plus. But let me know what you guys think.